In a move that has ignited a political firestorm, Argentine President Javier Milei recently endorsed a cryptocurrency token called $Libra, which initially surged in value following his promotion but then swiftly plummeted, raising serious questions about the integrity of the investment and Milei's role in it. The incident has led to widespread criticism, calls for investigation, and even threats of impeachment from opposition lawmakers. On February 15, 2025, Milei took to social media to announce that $Libra would stimulate economic growth and support small businesses in Argentina. His enthusiastic post claimed liberal Argentina is growing. The world wants to invest in Argentina and positioned the token as a promising investment opportunity. However, shortly after his endorsement, the cryptocurrency saw a meteoric rise to $5 only to crash back down to less than $1 as fears mounted that it was a scam, a situation often referred to as a rug pull, where developers lure in investors before disappearing with their funds. The backlash was swift. Within hours, Milei deleted his initial post stating, "I was not familiar with the details of the project," and claimed he had decided to distance himself from it upon learning more. In a follow-up clarification from the official presidential account, Milei characterized his promotion of $Libra as a routine endorsement of a business similar to his daily support for various entrepreneurial ventures. He announced that investigations would be launched to ascertain whether any laws had been breached, including by himself. Opposition figures were quick to condemn Milei's actions. Former President Cristina Fernández de Kirchner described the situation as a scandal without precedent, arguing that thousands of investors lost significant amounts of money due to the president's endorsement. Lawmaker Leandro Santoro announced plans to pursue impeachment, citing the need for accountability for what he deemed an international embarrassment. Meanwhile, other political blocs in Congress are seeking to form a special inquiry commission to investigate the incident further. Milei's association with the cryptocurrency has drawn comparisons to former President Donald Trump, who had recently promoted his own memecoin $Trump, which similarly experienced a roller coaster pattern of investment and loss. This trend of high-profile endorsements raises concerns about the potential for manipulation in the cryptocurrency market, particularly by influential political figures. The fallout from this incident highlights broader issues within Argentina's economic landscape and the volatile nature of cryptocurrency investments. As the government moves to investigate the circumstances surrounding $Libra, the implications of this scandal could resonate far beyond the immediate financial losses. It serves as a cautionary tale about the intersection of politics and emerging financial technologies, inviting scrutiny of how leaders navigate these unregulated waters. As Argentina grapples with the repercussions of this debacle, the situation remains fluid. Observers will be closely watching how the investigations unfold and what, if any, reforms might be proposed to regulate cryptocurrency endorsements in the future. With political tensions running high, the incident could significantly impact Milei's administration and the trust placed in public officials to safeguard the interests of their constituents. In a remarkable turn of events in the cryptocurrency market, XRP has surged to 15% above Bitcoin BTC, largely attributed to the formation of a rare technical indicator known as the Golden Cross. This event, which occurred just last week, has sparked considerable interest among traders and investors, raising questions about the sustainability of XRP's upward momentum and its potential implications for the broader market. As of now, XRP is trading at 0.00002834 BTC, positioning it just 20% shy of its local highs against Bitcoin. The Golden Cross, a term that refers to the moment when a short-term moving average crosses above a long-term moving average, has not been seen previously in the price history of these two cryptocurrencies. This unique occurrence has led many market participants to wonder if this marks the beginning of a new bullish trend for XRP. Historically, the highest value for XRP against Bitcoin was recorded at 0.00024 BTC, suggesting that if the altcoin were to regain that level, it would represent a staggering 1,000% increase from current prices. However, such a scenario seems unlikely unless XRP were to be designated as a global reserve asset, a prospect that remains speculative at best. Analysts are cautiously optimistic about XRP's short-term potential. The price of XRP could reach approximately $4.17 if it hits a critical resistance level at 0.000043 BTC, representing a 53% increase from its current standing. Given the recent 15% rise, this target appears feasible, especially considering that earlier predictions had also suggested a possibility of XRP achieving the $4.20 mark. This surge in XRP's price comes at a time when the cryptocurrency market is witnessing various developments, including increased interest from institutional investors and a more favorable regulatory outlook. Furthermore, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has recently begun considering applications for exchange-traded funds ETFs that include both XRP and Dogecoin. This shift in regulatory stance could bolster investor confidence and drive further adoption of these cryptocurrencies. In the broader crypto landscape, Bitcoin remains a focal point for speculation, especially as it hovers around its own critical price levels. Current market dynamics indicate that if Bitcoin maintains its position, XRP's growth trajectory could gain even more traction. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, the implications of XRP's recent performance could extend beyond its immediate price movements. Should XRP establish itself as a leading player, it may influence the strategies of other altcoins and even challenge Bitcoin's dominance in the long term. Investors and analysts alike will be closely monitoring these developments, as the coming weeks could prove pivotal in shaping the future of both XRP and the cryptocurrency market at large. In a striking turn of events that has set Argentina's political landscape ablaze, President Javier Milei faces mounting backlash after promoting a little-known cryptocurrency LIBRA, which experienced a meteoric rise in value before crashing spectacularly. The incident, which unfolded over the weekend, has ignited concerns about the integrity of government endorsements in the burgeoning world of digital currencies. On Friday, President Milei took to social media to tout LIBRA as a catalyst for economic growth, claiming it would support small businesses across Argentina. Liberal Argentina is growing, he declared, suggesting that the world was eager to invest in the nation. However, this initial enthusiasm was short-lived. Just hours after his endorsement, skepticism emerged online, with community warnings surfacing about potential fraudulent activities associated with the coin, often referred to as a rug pull, a term denoting schemes where developers attract investments before vanishing, leaving investors with worthless tokens. By Saturday, as concerns escalated, Milei retracted his endorsement, stating he was unfamiliar with the project's details at the time of his promotion. "I decided not to continue disseminating it. That is why I deleted the tweet," he wrote on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter. His subsequent communications characterized the promotion as a routine business announcement, adding that investigations were underway to determine if any laws had been violated. The fallout has been swift and severe. Opposition parties have condemned the incident as an unprecedented scandal, with former President Cristina Fernández de Kirchner accusing Milei of leading thousands of investors to substantial financial losses, while others profited from what she termed privileged information. Political critics have called for a congressional commission to probe the circumstances surrounding the promotion of LIBRA, highlighting the potential risks posed by a government official endorsing high-risk investments. Milei's promotion of LIBRA is not an isolated incident, but part of a broader pattern of behavior that mirrors recent actions by other political figures worldwide, such as former U.S. President Donald Trump, who introduced his own meme coin $Trump amid significant market fluctuations. In fact, the timing of these promotions has raised pertinent questions about the ethical boundaries of political endorsements in the cryptocurrency realm. As the dust settles, the implications of Milei's endorsement are significant. Agustin Pantano, a 28-year-old lawyer and supporter of Milei, shared his personal experience having invested $150 based on the president's tweet, only to watch 90% of his investment evaporate shortly thereafter. There were several red flags, and that's why I only invested a little money, he noted, encapsulating the precarious nature of investing in cryptocurrencies, especially when influenced by political endorsements. Moving forward, the situation presents a critical juncture for Milei's administration, which has already drawn scrutiny for various controversial decisions, including withdrawing from international health and environmental agreements. The outcome of the investigations into LIBRA could shape public perception of Milei's leadership and influence the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrency in Argentina. As the nation grapples with the fallout, the incident serves as a stark reminder of the inherent risks in the rapidly evolving digital currency space, especially when entwined with political maneuvering. The future may hold increased scrutiny of such endorsements as both investors and regulators seek to navigate the murky waters of cryptocurrency investment. In the rapidly evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, Ethereum and Solana are once again making headlines as they capture investors' attention with their promising growth potential. As of mid-February 2025, Ethereum's price is poised for a potential rally amid significant developments, while Solana faces challenges that may hinder its immediate prospects. Meanwhile, a new player, Remitix RTX, is emerging in the market, aiming to revolutionize cross-border payments and attract investors looking for innovative solutions. Ethereum has recently shown signs of recovery, particularly after the Chicago Board Options Exchange (CBOE) and 21 Shares announced their plans to introduce staking options for Ethereum-based exchange-traded funds (ETFs). This development has sparked excitement in the market as it could provide institutional investors with access to staking rewards while maintaining accurate ETH price tracking. Following this announcement, Ethereum's price surged by 5.3%, settling at around $2,738. Analysts suggest that Ethereum's low relative strength index RSI, currently at 36%, indicates an oversold condition, potentially signaling a buying opportunity for investors. Ethereum is at a crucial moment that could define its 2025 trajectory, noted Marcus Thielen from 10x Research. He emphasized that with institutional adoption on the rise and network upgrades like the upcoming Pectra upgrade, which merges previous updates, Ethereum is well positioned for growth. However, for ETH to regain bullish momentum, it must break through the key resistance level of $2,800 and hold above $3,000, where further upside potential exists. Conversely, Solana is seeing a more bearish outlook as it grapples with a significant decline in its value. Since mid-January, SOL has lost over 30% of its price, dropping by more than $60. Analysts are predicting further downside risk, suggesting that Solana could potentially fall to $100 in the coming weeks if current market conditions persist. The bearish divergence observed in technical indicators points to a weakening upward momentum, raising concerns that reaching the ambitious target of $500 may be out of reach for SOL in the near term. Amid the fluctuations of these established cryptocurrencies, Remitix is gaining traction as a promising alternative in the crypto space. This platform is designed to simplify cross-border payments by enabling users to instantly convert over 40 cryptocurrencies into fiat currencies and transfer funds directly to any bank account worldwide. Unlike traditional financial services, Remitix offers a flat fee structure that eliminates surprise charges, making it an attractive option for both individuals and businesses navigating the complexities of cryptocurrency transactions. The Remitix pre-sale has garnered considerable interest, raising over $11.9 million within just 2 months, as investors anticipate a potential 800% surge in value before the pre-sale concludes. This enthusiasm reflects a broader trend in the market where innovative solutions addressing real-world financial issues are capturing investor interest. As the market continues to evolve, Ethereum, Solana, and emerging projects like Remitix are indicative of the dynamic nature of the cryptocurrency landscape. Investors are advised to remain vigilant, keeping an eye on technical indicators, market sentiment, and upcoming developments that could influence price movements. With Ethereum's potential rally on the horizon and Solana's struggles, the coming weeks will be critical in shaping the future of these digital assets and the broader market. As always, thorough research and caution are paramount when navigating the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, two prominent players, Solana SOL and Ethereum ETH, are capturing the attention of investors as they navigate through periods of volatility and potential resurgence. As the market fluctuates, with Solana currently struggling to maintain its position below $200, analysts are drawing parallels to Ethereum's recent bullish trends, suggesting that Solana could experience a significant breakout if certain technical indicators align. Ethereum, which recently surged from $2,500 to $3,700, has set a precedent that many are hopeful Solana will follow. Crypto's analysis highlights a double bottom formation in Solana's chart, a technical pattern often viewed as a bullish reversal signal. With Solana currently trading just above $190, the prospect of an 80% increase to around $340 looms if it mirrors Ethereum's trajectory. If Solana can surpass the $210 resistance level and maintain its momentum, it would confirm the bullish reversal pattern, noted analysts at Crypto. However, challenges persist. Solana's recent performance shows it down nearly 13% over the past month, with bearish indicators like the Ichimoku Cloud and Average Directional Index ADX signaling weak momentum. The price action reflects ongoing struggles as SOL has repeatedly failed to reclaim the critical $200 mark. As noted by Crypto's Tiago Amaral, if SOL tests the $187 support again and fails to hold, it could extend losses toward $175, signaling further weakness. The rising concerns around scams have also cast a shadow over Solana's ecosystem. Following the controversial launch of the LIBRA meme coin, discussions among users have intensified regarding the integrity of applications running on the blockchain. Prominent figures within the community have voiced their frustrations, pointing to a series of scams that seem to proliferate within Solana's marketplace. Radio silence from Solana leadership as their community gets scammed multiple times a day, tweeted artist Gino Bori, reflecting a growing sentiment of distrust. In contrast to Solana's troubles, Ethereum appears to be benefiting from increased institutional interest, especially with the potential introduction of Ethereum-based exchange-traded products (ETPs). This could enhance mainstream adoption of Ethereum, further boosting its price trajectory as investors seek stable and regulated avenues for cryptocurrency exposure. Despite the hurdles, Solana's case for recovery is bolstered by its increasing mainstream adoption. Pantera Capital recently underscored Solana's potential, emphasizing its scalability and real-world applications. Furthermore, collaborations aimed at exploring staking opportunities within ETPs could facilitate institutional engagement, potentially revitalizing the market's sentiment towards SOL. As the crypto community keeps a keen eye on these developments, the future remains uncertain but promising for Solana. If it can navigate its current challenges and capitalize on the bullish patterns suggested by technical analysis, a resurgence above the $200 mark could pave the way for greater price targets. Investors remain hopeful that, like Ethereum, Solana can overcome its obstacles and return to a growth trajectory while also learning from the pitfalls that have emerged in its ecosystem. The coming weeks will be crucial as these dynamics unfold, potentially reshaping the landscape for both Solana and Ethereum in the competitive world of cryptocurrency.